Conducting field inspections of nationwide solar panels is both costly and time-intensive. The customer wanted to identify its user base that has solar panels to access reduced cost funding. So, how do we go about proving the capability of a solar AI dataset? Hi, my name is Korehozo and I'm a solutions engineer at Nearmap. Today, I'm going to share a project our team worked on for a customer that provides green loans to its consumers who wants to install environmentally friendly appliances, such as solar panels. To do that, the customer wanted to identify its user base that has solar panels to access reduced cost funding. Conducting field inspections of nationwide solar panels is both costly and time-intensive. Our Solar AI vector dataset offers accurate and reliable information and is very useful for our customers. To achieve a success in this project, we had to convince the customer of the quality of Nearmap data. So, how do we go about proving the capability of a Solar AI dataset? The customer asked for a proof of concept in Randwick, New South Wales, containing approximately about 19,000 address points. We obtained solar data for Randwick and then utilize a QGIS algorithm to randomly select 2% sample of those addresses. By conducting a visual inspection, I was able to determine the quality of Solar AI dataset. After analyzing the data, we found several interesting discussion topics that we wanted to share transparently with the customer to build trust. These discussion points were false negatives, duplicate addresses, null addresses, and most importantly, the statistics of our Solar AI dataset. These are some of the false negative samples I identified where our Solar AI dataset indicated there wasn't a solar panel, but a solar panel was present at those addresses. This is an example of a duplicated address. This block is represented by multiple addresses to reflect each apartment within a building. So even though only one building has solar panels, the statistics suggest multiple addresses have solar panels present. As you can see, there are 8 addresses associated with this block alone. This image shows a street parcel that contains no buildings, an example of a null address. So we aimed to analyze for the customer to help them correctly interpret the data and avoid any misleading conclusions. So finally, of the 377 buildings assessed, 27 were shown to be true positive, meaning our AI detected a solar panel and it was present in reality. 345 as true negative, a solar panel was absent in reality and our AI suggested so. Only 5 were identified as false negative, a solar panel was present in reality, but our AI did not detect it, and there were no false positives. This gives us a 98.6% accuracy. After presenting our findings, the customer accepted the quality of our Solar AI data and this could assist them in obtaining reduced cost funding for their green loan initiative. Thanks for listening.